And now I want to show you a little bit more of the editing in the Shopify editor. So now if we go down to theme settings, here's where you can change more about your theme. So you can change your colors of everything from the text to the buttons to the image overlays. So this is all customizable in the theme, the font, the size of the text. So here, I believe if we make this base size larger, it's going to make our basic fonts a little bit larger. And this is where you can add like your social media accounts, the favicon, which is that little icon here up on your browser. You can customize your checkout and what that looks like. And in the theme style, let's go ahead and save. This is where you can change I think this is just general theme style, so light or default. So it looks like the buttons changed colors based on this theme style. So let's go ahead and exit out of there, and we're going to go back. And then in theme actions, this is if you were a little bit more advanced and you wanted to actually edit the code of your theme. So we probably don't need to deal with that or edit the languages as well. That's something that might be a little bit more useful depending on what part of the world that you're in. So let's go ahead and go back. And now I want to show you how to actually change your theme if you wanted to actually change the theme of your site. So let's go down. Let's explore free themes. Here we're in the theme section here under the online store. If we explore free themes, and why don't we just see debut, this is our current theme, but what if we wanted to switch to minimal? So under minimal, there's 3 different styles included which you can choose from. And let's go ahead and add to our theme library. I chose vintage. So it's adding minimal here, you can see. If you scroll down, you can see under our theme library, it's adding it. So it may take a minute or so, but once your minimal theme is added, why don't we go here under actions, and first let's preview. So here you can see what your site looks like under this new theme. And you can see it's automatically pulling in kind of the components that we already created. So it looks like it has this component. This got changed a little bit, but then you can click in and you can see what your product will look like. So when you change themes, you are going to have to change things about what you customize with your site. So it's just something to keep in mind. It's not going to perfectly port the theme, but you can see it's going to move over what it can. So let's go back, and if we wanted, you could publish that, or you could go ahead and customize within this theme, which is pretty cool. So here it looks like we have our featured product. It didn't actually select the product, so let's go ahead and select that. And you can go back. So here we can have our featured product like we had before, and then here we have our header. So, pretty similar to what we, what we had. So we can go ahead and save this, and we can go back, and you can see now it's saved, and now if we preview it, it's going to be saved under the new settings that we just created, but it's still not live because our current theme is still debut. So all you'd have to do is go ahead and publish the new theme if you wanted to edit the full theme of your Shopify store. So Shopify makes it really easy to customize what your site looks like, and it makes it really easy to change the theme if you want as well.